like Moses. Red bombs on the shoes like it's roses. I'm sorry I could never see you down. I'm sorry I could never turn you frown. I'm sorry always full by the drown. Niggas wanna stop me like some red light.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy DG, it's your boy Griff, and yes, we are back with another video. Now, yeah, it's been a while. I've been slacking with the content recently, absolutely shocking from me. The project of the car was to get a 320 and turn it into a 330. And even with that, mate, I've just been absolutely behind. I just can't bother with it. But it's time to get the project finished. So within the next 4 months, it's going to be finished, it's going to be done, it's going to be completed. Maximum effort. I've fixed up, I'm back on the thing, I'm back on the biz, back on the shit now. So it's going to be finished in the next couple of months. The next 4 months, that's what I'm hoping for. So as you'll know, someone rear-ended me about a year ago. And I still haven't even got a new bumper for it yet. Been paid out everything, didn't even get a new bumper for it yet. So I'm on my way to Scunthorpe now to get a new M Sport bumper. And I've gone to the completely wrong place. I'm on my way to get the M Sport bumper. I'm gonna fit it today. I'm gonna show you guys how to fit it. And Bob's your uncle.
3 hours later.
Right, so this is the bumper that I got. I travelled to Scunthorpe, which is about an hour and a quarter, well, an hour and a bit, just a bit away from me. So that's bird poo. No, these are just going to be washed off and that. Fucking hell. I'm going to be fucking careful there, mate. Fucking hell. Okay, right, there we go. Alright. So it's got a couple of scratches on it right there. Whether they'll come off or not, I'm not 100% sure, but we're going to find out. Parking sensors are still in. Obviously this splitter's coming off and going to be replaced with that splitter. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do, you see these here? One on that side, and then one on this side. You literally, when you're going to get flathead, and then the Torx. So I don't know if you can see it. There is a Torx in that side there, and then one in that side there. So I've got T25. That's what size it is.
A few moments later.
Like so. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to slap these. I'm going to put these all together out of the way, so I'm not going to lose them. I'll put them through there. And then you're going to want to remove the rear lights. So what we're going to do is this. I don't know if you can really see them. I should have put the flash on. Let me put the flash on. Okay, wait. There we go. So one there, one up here somewhere, and then another one just there. Yeah, cool. You're going to take them out. And then once you take this out, you just see that plug. Well, you can unplug it now, to be fair. Nope, I'm going to unplug it when, yeah, right there, just like that. And then literally when you undo them, these will just slide literally right out. And then what I've done to make life easier for myself, because you need to get to the lining underneath here. So I've just taken the wheel off. I've just jacked the car up, taken the wheel off, with obviously the bolts and that. And then there is 1, 2, 3 bolts which you want to undo, because you need to get behind here, because there's another bolt behind here that's about here that you want to get off. So these 3 bolts need to come off first. So 1, 2 and 3. So that's them 3 bolts off. So you can literally just pull this forward and you'll see the bolt right in front of you, just there. So you want to undo that. Same, all of these bolts are 8 millimeters by the way, so it's exact same for all of them. Right, so all them bolts are off on this side, all on this side. Now you want to be very careful, very, very, very careful, because this doesn't want to come off. It's a good thing that I'm not fucking putting this fucker back on, because if I was, I would have fucked it. because I've snapped friggin' all of them. So I don't know how you meant to do it, but yeah, you need to try kind of find a way to lift it up and then over. So I want to try and do it on the other side and see how it goes. And then you've got this part, which you kind of want to pry up like that. Same here. Pry it. And that, man, is how you get a fucking bumper off. Fucking hell. Fucking, I tell you what, man. That was fucking hard, that was. It was fucking easy, but fucking hell, mate. It was fucking hard, that was. Fucking hell. Fucking off now, I put the fucking new one on. Just like I took the one off and then fucking Bob's uncle, isn't it? Fucking hell. But yes, the bumper's now off. Ah, mate. Everything's easier until you've got all the bolts off, you've pried this part off, and then you need to get it over them. That's the hardest part by far. By absolute far, mate. But you know what? We conquered it. We survived it. Now let's put this one back on. Finally done it. It's on. Oh, mate. Honestly, this job made me feel so old. Like, my back's aching, everything's just aching. But yeah, it's all back on. Polished it, ceramic coated it, sealed it, just like the rest of the car. The rest of the car could do with a wash, to be fair, but I'm happy with it. Very happy with how that's come on me. Fucking very happy with that. Woo!